Good morning students. This is your commerce teacher. Today we are going to continue with the revision class. Revision of chapter 1, that is stakeholders in commercial organization. In the previous video I have discussed till question number 8 and here in this video we will start from question number 9. Let us see question number 9. Mention any two expectations of suppliers from a business organization. The answer is two expectations of suppliers from a business organization are number 1 fair prices for the supplies and number 2 regular and timely payment according to credit terms. Now next question is state any two expectations of shareholders from a business concern. The answer is two expectations of shareholders from a business concern are number 1 safety of capital contributed by them and number 2 a fair and regular return in the form of dividend on their capital. Now next question is distinguish between internal and external stakeholders. Difference between internal and external stakeholders are as follows. On the basis of existence, internal stakeholders exist within the organization. On the other hand, external stakeholders exist outside the organization. Now next on the basis of example, the example of internal stakeholder is employee. On the other hand, the example of external stakeholder is creditors. Now, next question. State any two expectations of competitors from a business concern. The answer is two expectations of competitors from a business concern are number 1 fair trade practices regarding price, quality and service and number 2 an atmosphere of healthy competition and ethical behavior. Now next question, distinguish between a shareholder and a customer. Now difference between shareholder and customer are as follows. On the basis of status, shareholders are stakeholders. On the other hand, customers are not stakeholders. Now on the basis of investment, shareholders invest money in the company and take risk. On the other hand, customers do not invest money in the company and do not take risk. Now the next question is state any two expectations of the government from a business concern. The answer is two expectations of the government from a business concern are number 1 to follow the laws and regulations of the country and number 2 to pay all taxes honestly, regularly and in time. Now the next question is distinguish between shareholders and creditors. The answer is difference between shareholder and creditor on the basis of status. A shareholder contributes owned fund. On the other hand, a creditor contributes borrowed fund. Now next on the basis of voting rights, shareholders has voting rights. On the other hand, creditors does not have voting rights. Now next question is state any two expectations of general public from a business organization. The answer is two expectations of the general public from a business organization are number 1 to protect the environment from all types of pollution and number 2 to produce socially desirable product in accordance with national interest and priorities. So students, this much is for today's video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.